So what's up guys, it's me again, Frosty. So I'm creating a new account. So yeah, this is my new account. Yeah, and I'm gonna join my cousin. Yeah, you know, like he's right near me, bro.
Oh, hi guys.
Yeah, that's him. That's him right there, near me.
Getting.
What you doing? Wait, let me buy my first seed.
I hope I can get that
Carrot seed. Yes, my first ever carrot.
Oh
Yay!
my god.
Hey.
I'm putting that.
Hey, I might give away this account after I'm done with this. Yo guys, get ready. If you're subscribed, I will give this away. Oh! What the big melons is that? Dang! Dang, how much does this cost?
I'ma give you.
No. I'm in a challenge. But can you give me just like watering can? Only watering can. Oh, 600! No way! I can buy. Oh, orange tulip is in stock. Yes, sir. No, orange tulip is not stock anymore.
One.
Let me see.
Just one.
No. No.
Only one.
No. I can't. I really want, but I can't. I can't do this. It's my challenge. It's my only challenge. Bro, I don't know.
Oh my god.
I need to Wait, how about we buy 1,000,000 of carrot seeds?
Damn.
1,000,000 of them. Yo, can you help me out?
What? Power watering gun. Oh my god. What's this? Oh, bear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. This is garden. 900 and my money is just 11 billion. Yeah. And look at this garden, bro. Cactus. And this.
That freaking cactus. Why is that freaking so big?
B. I want to talk to you. Do you love me? No. You heard nothing, guys. I don't have any honey.
OMG. Man, I love you, Queen Bee.
So can you give me some honey? I really need pollination.
You Queen Bee, huh? You Queen Bee, huh? You Queen Bee, huh? Just don't put the water in the Queen Bee.
Yo, I need it to be restocked.
Queen Bee.
Bro, I need it to be restocked.
Why? Just don't.
Right?
Just don't.
I'm recording, bro!
Hey, yo. This freaking big head. Give me, I'ma stole some honey, bro. Oh. Oh.
How much is this cost the bomb?
I think I have, oh, there is pollinated.
What kind of
Cactus, but it's okay, right?
what the hell?
Oh my
gosh! What's that?
Can you
water this?
Yeah.
Another one!
Oh my gosh.
Bro, let me see the shot. Oh, free! No way! No way! If I have Robux, bro, I should buy that, bro.
Tomorrow we'll Why is this fish? Oh, what? 1 billion money?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
You need 1 billion money
What
for
is
that.
that thing?
The thing that you will win. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Wait, I got one watering
I'm
can.
not getting that. I paid it. Oh, it's done.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem. What the hell is it so big?
Yo, I can see my fruits. Yo, guys. I need the food then. I need the food. Wait, can you give me like some fruits that doesn't cost $1 million? I'm not trying to continue with that. Okay.
Here. And
Thank you.
another one.
Thank you. Wait, let me check.
And another one.
Wait. That's enough. No way. No way. Oh, the food is so good. Tasty. I mean. Watering can. The most powerful of all. Let me give you. Oh.
Pretty good.
Did someone say bamboo? 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 I'm not a panda. Yes, sir. I need that to be 300. Boom. Oh. Boom. Boom baklat. Oh. Boom baklat.
How could I put this now? Never mind. But this doesn't cost $1 million.
What?
Just come to my garden.
Okay. What's that? I need to hurry. Speed run. cup.
Bro, give me.
There.
Give me coordinated.
We will wait.
Why?
This is the top one scammer.
Ayo.
Ayo!
Ayo.
Wait, let me see what seed. No, orange tulip.
We're close to a million, guys.
I'm trying to get
pollinated.
what? What
Cactus kiss.
Okay.
Yo,
Don't tell me it's so big. Oh, yay! It's small. Yay! Yay!
Oh no! A big thing! No! What? Bro! First this, and next that, bro. Like, bro.
Bro, why? Why? What did I do?
What is this thing? Tara, inventory slots. What is the meaning of that? The meaning of that.
Extra inventory. Ah, you get this thing. Yeah. You forgot that? It,
Is this the super seed?
you get random gold. Let me buy that. Do you have Robux? How would you get
Man, I wanna buy it, but I don't have Robux for 59 pesos.
No! Hurry up! It's already done! Hurry up! Yes, it's ready. 2 minutes. Rose! Oh, yay. I don't like rose. Don't tell me it's so big. Peck. No!
Why is that so big?
No what?
This carrot is so big. Is that the only thing big, or am I standing big?
I'm gonna give you that. What?
How much it cost? 170. Thank you, man. Shout out to Ben Fonterland again.
Oh! Sheesh! And this is his like account. Look, see, Big Fan Zeros Ben 109. Yo! 1 in 15 seconds now. Some event. No way. Bro. What the What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
I'm not even Sigma, bro.
Oh, 55 seconds left. Bro, let's go.
Wendy, thank you so much.
Guys, can you tell me what code you need to enter? Because I really need.
I hope that it's gonna be a nectarine seed or hive fruit seed.
Yeah, I need high fruit
Yeah, me too, bro.
or honey sprinkler.
Oh yeah.
BN. I forgot to buy that. And guys, you
Finally here.
tell me if what codes? What
Oh,
codes
it's
is there?
coming. Wait. They knew the cloud.
Wait, huh? How? Bro. Wait. Okay.
Oh no, what the Sigma?
Guys, it's here again.
It's coming! It's coming! It's coming!
Bro, how can I get there? No! How? Bro, I'm literally stuck.
Why? What is the pollinated? Oh, it's coming again. It's coming again. Why is coconut? Why coconut?
Carrot. There.
Why coconut?
Can you give me some pollinated too?
Yeah.
Like 10 kg.
Okay.
Okay guys, here it comes. The bee. The bee right back. Run. I can't even. What? How can I reach? Hey, what's it stuck, by the way?
Nah, I don't get to reach by this. I'm pollinated.
It's back! It's back!
Pollinated is gone.
Oh, there it is. There. That big carrot.
Oh yeah.
Go again! It's again! It's back again!
Freaking way. Oh. Pollinated lila.
It's back! It's back!
How much is this cost?
Hey, speaking of which, how much does this cost?
Let me give you this.
How much does that cost?
I will be a multi-millionaire. I will try my best to be a multi-millionaire.
Oh, what? You've completed the quest harvest. How am I getting that, huh? How am I getting that, huh? Oh my gosh, it's on my biggest thing. Dang, I don't have bullet. Can you?
Nah, this is 200.
Yeah, but I need to put this all pollinated to him. Okay. Hey. Hey! It's back. I think it's targeting my yeah, blueberry.
Wow, it's super good.
I knew it. I knew it.
What?
I won. Back. I won. No. Strawberry. Don't. No. No. Is this what? They're back. I won. Oh no. He's coming for this. I don't care about the pollinated now. Can I have it?
Yeah, but
2, 3. freaking high. How could I get that thing? Is honeycomb good? No. What is the meaning? Me, bro. What? Cactus in the world. Never mind. This is in the melon. Cocomelon. Rose. I don't like this. Huh? Yes! What? Finally! For so many! Oh no. Oh, pumpkin! What? 3 minutes. Bro! Why? Grabe, 3 mil dyan. No way. Finally, I'm a millionaire. I'm gonna give you strawberry. Nothing. Okay. Attack! Bro. What? Nothing. What? Nothing. Dragon fruit. How can I get 3 dragon? What? Harvest 3 dragon. So, just wait for me. Okay, lucky. Bye, be right. Yes, my cousin just said that mango seed. Oh, mango seed. Yo, I just recorded, bro. I went to my other account, my main account. Just don't buy it. I will help you. I will. No. Yes. No. Yes. Maoga. Yes, 100%. That. Oh, why am I insane? This. Yo. I hope another one. I hope beanstalk. Or pepper. Bro, the pumpkin, bro. Oh, cocoa! Cocoa! Mushroom! Lame! Grabe! Perso rin. Lami. Oh yeah! I'll go in my main account. Oh guys, bro. So what's up guys? I'm back again. Yeah. So orange tulip. Yo! No way! We're laughing. Pumpkin. I need to buy what's the name? Oh my god. Yeah, nom. Bro, I'm broke. I can't afford, bro. Okay. Yes, that's all my dollars. No way. Oh, what? Whoa. Yo, that's better than nothing. You know what? Time to collect everything. Sometimes I forget my mission is frosty. Sometimes I call myself Frost. Frost is a freezer. Look like my legendary. Mythical! I'll be right back.
here.
Are you sure? It's rain tacos.
Oh, oh my! Oh! No way. Gold mushroom?
Don't scam me.
No, I won't. The freaking thing. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Why is this happening?
No way.
No.
It's fully blown. Finally, I can get my noodles. Also make a cup.
Like a cow.
Rainbow! No way, rainbow rose. Get all of this.
Wala pa ba dito sila nag-grow? Matay ka bubo.
No. I may cost a lot, guys, but a lot of money because of like cocoa, mango, and like mushrooms. But sometimes bacon cannot be trusted. One mushroom. One big old mushroom. How much is this worth?
How?
200K. Yo, I knew it, guys. We're getting richer and richer. Let me buy. What do you mean? No, you didn't tell me.
Frosty the Oh, shit!
Again. You didn't say it. No, you don't. Dodge! He's not. No, no one. What? How much?
3 billion.
3 billion?
Oh, what trevali? Gamay ka buko.
No! Can I have it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm on the top of the mountain.
Odra.
Yay. Okay. Remember selling on mine?
May atas pa dyan. Grabe. Wait. Pakalimot ko.
Mr. Lucky, Mr. The best can climb a million trees.
What the? Even the biggest one in the world.
Yeah, this is the biggest. I can climb it. I'm on the top now, but I fell because I went to the seeds. Okay.
I love you.
Do you win? Yes, that's a good rainbow.
Bro.
No way! No way, guys! Bro, I think we will reach 10 million. Wait. Did I say our challenge is to get cocoa? Okay. I forgot. The challenge was supposed to be try to get cocoa.
Or pepper.
Yeah.
The pepper didn't do.
Yeah. So, but cocoa is still better than pepper. So, yeah. I won this challenge in just like 42 minutes. I just did it in 42 minutes. How lucky am I? Yeah. Okay. So, bye guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So, please like and comment.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, and sub. Bye bye. Have a good time.